Hey, welcome back. So we're working on a Toyota Tundra 2022, and we're going to be adding another key. Customer has this key. We're just going to use a Venza key. Same thing, I've used a Venza on Grand Highlander, and yeah, let's go ahead and get started. We're going to be using a 30-pin cable and also our nylon wedge so we can safely remove the panel here. Let's go ahead and jump into it. So we look at the panel, and kind of like those Ram 1500s, like the 2020s, we're going to pull here, and we can stick our finger in here, or we can use the pry bar, either or. I just find it easier if I use my fingers, kind of manhandle it, and kind of gently pop, or we can gently pop and take this out and down. Just be gentle with these little tabs here. Be careful. And like so. And then we're gonna see inside, you have your 3 plugs, kind of like the Venza I did, but this is super easy. You don't need to crawl into the underneath the dashboard. Cool, let's go ahead and plug in and get started. Okay, so we have the Autel plugged in. I am plugging this into a power bank, running low on battery power. So we have the 30-pin cable plugged in here, as I showed. We also have the other end of that 30-pin cable plugged into the OBD. So we have voltage with the vehicle. So let's go ahead and get started. We are connected to Wi-Fi. You will need Wi-Fi for this. So let's go through. And we have Asia, Toyota. And let's do automatic selection. Let's go ahead and turn the vehicle on so you can read. Cool. And this is a Tundra. Okay. And let's go ahead and do control unit. And we want to do the keyless system. And let's take note at the VIN number. It's going to be 9508. And we're going to go back up emo data. That seems to be the option I want to do. Connect to the internet. Turn off. And hazard lights. 1 and off. Oh, that's kind of cool. It's a toggle tab. Cool. And it's going to show us. Cool. Okay, cool. So going into this, I thought it was like a Venza and stuff like that. I was just gonna go through like the glove box area, but it's right here. Super simple, plugged in. Okay. And again, we're gonna look at 9508. Okay, and let's go back, and 9508, save. Okay, back up, that's good. Let's go escape. Let's do hot function, add key. Okay, let's go ahead and hit start. Okay, so again, we have original key, new key. Turn ignition on. Dash is on. Okay. Is that the VIN? Yes. Yes, that's the correct VIN. Yes, we have. Okay, and it was today, and yeah, just double check. Yeah, 9508, that one. Keep a learn key. Okay, beeps, good. The key you want to learn. Double beeps, good. Succeeded, okay. And we're done. Let's just go ahead and check. Nothing. Let's escape. 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 Yes. Cool. Let's go ahead and turn it off. And let's check. Cool. And then the new key. And this is a Venza key. Cool. So let's go. We'll exit the vehicle and check the hatch. Okay, I have my body as a shield. Oh, nice. And that's the Venza key. Cool. Cool, let's go ahead and cut it, and then we're all set. And then I guess a quick look at the wires before we disconnect. We have the Autel plugged in, it's charging. That doesn't count, you don't need that really. So Autel's plugged in. The 30-pin cable, one side is plugged into the OBD for vehicle voltage. The other end for that bypass section is gonna be plugged in here. As you see, it's bypassing, so you have that smart box. So I'm gonna disconnect. And I'm going to disconnect the cable and I'm gonna plug it back in. Good, that's how it's supposed to be. And this is your OBD star 30-pin cable. And like that, line these up. And I'm gonna plug this in and then we're all good.